you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this? We were caught up and lost in all of our vices. In your pose as the dust settled around us, and the walls kept tumbling down.
Mày khai cảm ơn chắc bảo.
Allora, qua go.
Va, motivare. Va, leve, altitude. Cara.
Esta famosa salsa de mi mamá se me ocurrió ahora por casualidad. Buscas, 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 buscas. De todos los prados que hay en mi lugar pasaba un borrico por casualidad.
Posición. ¡Ay!
Well, it's about that time when all our friends around us, one by one, they're stopping their own lives. And I can see it in your eyes, you want some answers, wondering when it's gonna be our time. Now I ain't never been a guy looking for marriage, that was something I just wouldn't do. But lately you've been on my brain, I go insane thinking about a life without you. I know you've been waiting to be taken. I know you've been waiting so patiently. I'm ready, you're ready, we're ready, been ready. Come on, girl, let's start the night. I'm never lie, never cheat, take care of you between the sheets. Come on, girl, let's start the night. And after we say I do, go to where we want to, drive away, just married on the car. Yeah, I'm on my knees, 'cause I believe that you're the one that's right for me. Come on, girl, let's start the night. They say the grass is always greener, temptation is a killer. But girl, that's all a lie. 'Cause when we're standing in the mirror, there's really nothing clearer than you and I know you've been waiting to be taken. I know you've been waiting so patiently.